Uh, what's up, guys? Hope you all are good. Yeah, man, it's been a roller coaster. Um, I've been like trading, and I stopped for a month, probably, because the market condition, like the market was like always showering my ass. Like when I'm like opening a trade goes straight to my stop loss, and I lost two 10K challenges accounts that I bought on the month of May. Yeah, man, and I lost four consecutive profit challenges, and I was angry, and then I thought that like the profit had it was a scam and stuff like that, because man, no one likes to fail, if I can say like that. But yeah, man, I'm glad that I managed to pull myself together and come back to the market to look for another opportunities. And by the first of this month, I bought the 5K challenge account with Equity Edge. Yeah, man, which is the one that I'm gonna take you through right now. uh, we'll start with we will start with we will start with the dashboard of my Equity Air challenge account, which you all can see. This is my 5K challenge account that I bought, and now I'm up 4.3% on the account. And yeah, man, I only took 9 trades with the win rates of 44%. This is the account size, as you can see. And yeah, man, profit target, I remained with 3% to pass the account. And yeah, man, today I took 2 trades, which is the 4th of July 2025. I took 2 trades. The first one on gold ended up in a loss of 0.5%. Yeah, man, I don't know, man. When I stopped trading, I don't know what happened, but the way I was like watching a lot of videos analyzing regarding my strategy and risk management, it's changed the whole perspective of like me, like wanting to risk 3% per trade just to make 6%, or just to pass an account with 1 trade. Instead, I stepped back and like focus on the real market, how to trade like in a real way, in like focusing on the probabilities, like taking good trades, like minimizing the trade that I take a day, like knowing how much I risk per trade. And so far I'm seeing the growth, even though the market is like it's unpredictable at these days, like the Trump situations, like the market and the Ukraine thing. Like the market is like moving up and down in an uncertain way, like just like that, man. You can see the market going up today, tomorrow going down, broke the last side, or if you're saying the market's going down, now it's going up. So it's like that, something like that, guys. So yeah, man, but we keep pushing, because it's not always that the market will give you opportunities. You gotta make those opportunities. If you see something that aligns with your strategy, you gotta take that thing, and then you let the market go with the good risk management. And then yeah, man, without any further ado, guys, I just spoke too much. Without any further ado, guys, let's jump straight into this is the first trade that I took, trading history. This is the first trade that I took on NZDJPY, which ended up in a 1% loss. Yeah, man, this is the trade that I took, ended up in 1% loss. And if I can show you my This is the trade that I took, NZDJPY trade, longs on NZDJPY, higher time frame is bullish motivational, demand zone in a discounted price, risk 1% to make 2%. So this was the before trade that I took. Yeah man, you see the market is bullish, retraced, mitigating, pushed, break this high, and then in the market I missed to enter here directly and then stop this liquidity, and I was hoping the market would just push to the upside, but as you see, so the market ended up you can see coming straight to my to my SL, hit my stop loss, and I was down by a percent. As you can see, this is my first trade on my 5k challenge account, and if I can go and show you the trade on the NZDJPY trade, let's jump straight into it. This was the trade that I took, 15-minute time frame, so that I can show you what I'm talking about. This was the trade, higher highs, higher lows, and after the market mitigating this demand zone, I entered right there, and I was hoping for 1:2, as you can see, my risk to reward ratio. But yeah man, the market ended up giving me a loss of 1%. So my second trade, which I took, let's jump straight into, was on Euro USD. Euro USD, I took this long. Higher time frame is bullish, 5 minutes change of character, sweep of liquidity. There's 1% to make 3%. You see, this was Asia range, a sweep of Asia range, demand zone mitigating, just a week, then push, change of character, consolidating, coming back to a demand zone to clear some liquidity after this break of structure, a candle closure. On that break of structure, the second candle, I targeted 1:3, which the market ended up giving me that 1:3 straight to my take profit. That's where I came back I came back to that's where I came back to break even, and I ended up making 2% more. This is how break of structure, candle closure, entering, and then yeah man, good stuff. Knowing how to analyze sweep of liquidity, mitigation, sweep, and then yeah man, I just use supply and demand and liquidity, and then yeah man, it's simple man, but it took me long time to understand. It's not simple guys. Yes, I'm lying, it's not simple. Yeah man, it went straight to my take profit. And the second trade that I took, let's go on Wednesday the 2nd, I took NZDCHF, NZDJPY, and Euro CAD. First trade ended up in a loss. I was like risking 1%, and it escalated to 1.35%, and then ended up in a loss, NZDCHF. And the second trade on NZDJPY, I risked 0.68%, almost 0.5% by zero, and I ended up making a good amount, which I'll show you on the platform on my Equity Edge trading platform. And yeah man, and lastly, EuroCAD ended up in a loss. I was correct about the direction, just the placement of my stop loss. I was supposed to place my stop loss above the week high, and most of the time I don't do that, because if I place my stop loss above the week high, there's high probability of the market going straight to sweep that high. So it's useless for me to put my stop loss where like I know very well like how the market is likely to retrace to sweep the high and go to the downside. Like, you see. So yeah, man, I just place my stop loss and the market weak me out. This is how the trade look. Here I was like, nah man, I can't, and I risked 0.5%, and which I was like, the market mitigated the demand zone, but Euro USD is like, it was like on plus 58%, 60% selling, minus 68%, like the market was selling. And then this is what I saw, like, nah man, Euro USD card goes with a Euro card. So this is gonna be an inducement zone. That's where the market just like mitigated and then like push to the upside, sweep some liquidity and drop. And after this drop, I entered right there. And then yeah man, I was hoping for a good 1:3, but the market, I will show you all. Let's jump straight into it, which is EuroCAD. First trade that I'm gonna show you all. And EuroCAD, this is the trade that I took. This trade was a beautiful trade. If I place my stop loss above that, the trade was gonna go well, but it ended up in a loss, which is good, and I risked 0.5%. My target was like 2%. I was targeting 1:4, and yeah man, risk 1%, 0.5%, and then I lost it. And the second trade on NZD CHF, I'll show you all. This was the trade. For me, this was a beautiful trade, because a mitigation, sweep of Asia, mitigation, and a change of character right there. And I was hoping the market, because of this week, like on the Euro USD, this was the close, like same setup, and like I was hoping for a one. But what I was wrong about is the direction of the market. The market was selling. This is the trade right there. The market was selling. I was supposed to sell, but I went straight to the 1 minute time frame, and then I saw the structure was bullish. I then said, like, let me go in, and I understood why I lost the trade. Yeah man, that was like on NZD CHF. That's where I lost the $69, which is the 1.35% that I lost. And I came back on NZD JPY. Let's look at the NZD JPY. This was the beautiful trade that I took on NZD JPY. Let me go to because I lost on the bullish run. I saw the market change its character, and then a mitigation of this, and then also a sweep, a change of character, a sweep of the current, and then I saw the momentum coming in, and then I entered. I was targeted 1:4, and made the market went straight into my take profit, which I risked 0.68%, and I made like 2%, 2.2%. This is the trade, which is like 2.2%, $126. Yeah man, let's get straight into the following trades that I took: NZD, USD JPY, and USD CAD. The first trade that I took on Thursday, the 23rd of July 2025. This was the before trade on USD JPY. Mitigation of the market was dropping, mitigation of the previous demand zone, change of character, and then the market came back to mitigate the thing. But the problem with this trade, it was the NFP day, because on Friday, the 4th of July is the US holiday and stuff like that. So they postponed the NFP. It wasn't on Friday, it was on Thursday. So yeah, man. Coming back on USD JPY trade that I took, beautiful trade, a sweep of Asia high, and a change of character, a block of structure with a lot of momentum. And yeah, man, I entered right there and I targeted 3 point something. And yeah, man, the trade didn't go as I anticipated it will. As you all can see, I risked 1% to make 3%, and yeah, man, it hit my stop loss and I was down. And coming back on USD CAD trade was a win. Beautiful execution, a break of structure, and also a change of character, mitigation, and also I entered right there, and then the market, I was like hoping for the market to go to the downside, just like that. Yeah, man. Let's jump straight into the trade that I took, which is USD JPY and AUD CAD. USD JPY, this is the trade that I lost 1%, and USD CAD I made 3%, which covered and gave me 2% more. This is the power of risk management, guys. Yeah, man. Let me show you all on the last trade. The last trade that I took. I just took a gold Shao USD and USD CAD. The first trade was USD CAD. I went for longs, and Shao I went for shorts, because if USD ADXY is bullish, a USD CAD is gonna be bullish, and vice versa. When DXY is bullish, a gold must be bearish. So here I saw a beautiful setup on gold. I'm gonna show you all, and ended up in a loss. Let me show you all a mitigation of a demand zone, a sweep of Asia high, change of character with a high momentum, and I entered right there, and I placed my stop loss over there. I was targeting the lows, and yeah, man, didn't go as I anticipated. As you all can see, change of character, and then boom, stop loss hit, and I risk 0.5%, 0.5%, and yeah, man, I took that loss. And last but not least, I'm looking for USD CAD mitigation of a demand zone, and with a block of structure, liquidity above, and yeah, man, as you can see, a change of character moving. There's high liquidity over there, sweep of Asia low, mitigation of a demand zone. I was supposed to enter right there, but I was late. I waited for a second candle closure on the 15 minutes time frame, and after that I entered and I placed my stop loss above the previous candle, and then I went for a beautiful 1:4%, which is gonna give me, I risk 0.5%, 5% left for me to pass this trade, pass this account. This is my first one, and then first two, and y'all guys, I will keep you posted on my journey. My goal for this year is having 100,000 by the end of this year in funding, and yeah, man, 100,000 in funded accounts. But yes, by the beginning of the year, it was my goal of 100,000. But the way I rushed this situation, it's almost messed up with my mindset, my psychology, because like per month I was buying 2 or 3 challenges account, which is like I was putting all of my salary there, like all of my investment there, because I wanted to push this thing, because I wanted probably by July, August, I'm done with the challenges. I'm like trading the funded accounts, but yeah, man, didn't go as I anticipated. And they always say keep pushing and don't rush the process, because the aha moment of your is coming. You don't even know when, but if you focus on the important things, anytime the aha moment will come. So yeah, man, I'll keep you all up posted on this trades, and yeah, man, wish me all the best, man. This is your boy Mazri, and I'm trying to build my community on YouTube, and also documenting my journey. Yeah, man, I'll keep you all posted, guys. I love you all. Peace.